Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am doing a huge Myntra haul. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. So recently I bought this all stuff from Myntra during Myntra sale and I get amazing discount in all the products. So the first product which I have is this Cook and Keys Disney Woman Grey Melange printed chamois airline top, and it has a scoop neck and it is sleeveless. The actual price of this top is 699, but I bought this product at rupees 250. The second product is a Roadstar Woman Grey Strip Top. It has a V-neck and a 3/4 sleeve. The actual price of this top is 899, but I bought this product at 400 rupees. And the third product which I have is a Via Cupia Woman Peplum Top. It has a round neck and a short sleeve. The actual price of this top is 1129, but I bought this top at rupees 500. Next product which I have is a Tokyo Talkies Woman Black printed top, and it has a round neck and a bell sleeves. The actual price of this top is 799, but I bought this at rupees 300. The next product which I have is a AKS Woman White Tie and Dye Straight Kurta, and it has a keyhole neck and a 3/4 sleeve. The actual price of this kurta is 899, but I bought this at rupees 300. And the next product which I have is a AKS Black and White printed strip kurti, and it has a round neck, 3/4 sleeve and a slit in the front center. And the actual price of this kurti is 1299, but I bought this at rupees 400. And the next product which I have is Avana Woman Orange Printed Straight Kurta, and it has a scoop neck and a 3/4 sleeve. The actual price of this kurta is 899, but I bought this at rupees 300. And the next kurta which I have is a Ivan Woman Blue Printed Kurta. It has a round neck and a 3/4 sleeve. The actual price of this kurta is 949, but I bought this at rupees 300. And the next product which I have is a Roadstar Woman White and Olive Green Strip Pullover. It has a round neck and a long sleeve. The actual price of this sweater is 1299, but I bought this at rupees 350. The next product which I have is a Roadstar Woman Blue Skinny Fit Mid-Rise Clean Look Stretchable Jeans. It has 79% cotton, 19% polyester and 2% elastane. And the actual price of this jeans is 1299, but I bought this jeans at rupees 500. The next product which I have is a Zootopia Woman Solid Black Heeled Boot, and it is a round toe boot, and it has a lace up detail here and a cushion in the inner part, and the outer part is synthetic, and it has a block heel, and the height of this heel is 3 inch. And the actual price of this boot is 1499, but I bought this at rupees 550. Next product which I have is a Catwalk Woman Black Strappy Heels with a zip closer at the back, and it has a multiple straps with metallic stud detail and a cushion footbed and a 4-inch heel. The actual price of this heel is 1895, but I bought this at rupees 500. And the last product and my most favorite is a Catwalk Woman Brown Embellished Heel. It is a brown gold toned heel and has a ankle loop detail and embellished detail here, and the cushion footbed and it has a heel of 4 inch, and the actual price of this heel is 1995, but I bought this heel at rupees 750. So that's all product which I have from Myntra, and if you want to shop, please go and check out the Myntra app. They have a variety of collection, and let me know which one is your favorite item from all these products. So hope you like my huge Myntra haul, and if you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this all product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.